Well, on everybody, you don't know, say Gyalis in Paris and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You see me? I say, yeah, dead. Max, yo. Dirty boy for sure, man. Alright, people. So as I said, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Alright. You guys know I'm gonna be using YouTube to kind of give you guys more of an insight on Gyalis in Paris. You understand? So stay tuned, and I'm saying click like and subscribe. So my name is Jermaine McHale. Alright, last name is Irish, just in case, you know, a little fun fact. Born in America, raised in Jamaica, you know what I'm saying? So I get the best of both worlds. Born over here, raised, and, you know, gain my attitude from Jamaica, you understand? So basically, to tell you the truth, I never thought about doing comedy, you know. I started with music, all right? And it's not that my music career was failing, I just got bored, you know what I'm saying? Because I was sick, you know what I'm saying? But I moved back to America, right? And I lived in a place called Port St. Lucie. All right, I don't really like people knowing I'm from Port St. Lucie, but I moved to Port St. Lucie. And then I left there when I had, you know when you get bigger and you can move on and do the right thing for yourself. So I said, you know, Port St. Lucie is not it for me. I moved to New York City, right? And this is what really developed my character. So I remember I was there, and I remember my cousin used to tell me all the time, he's like, yo, you don't have Vine? Yo, do Vine, yo. I'm like, what, Vine? I'm like, what is that? And he tell me what it is, and he's like, yo, you could do, like, you know, comedy videos and everything like that, but I didn't do comedy videos. Me doing something to make somebody laugh was weird. Like, what are we doing here? You know what I'm saying? So he used to always boost me. I never used to be on Facebook. I used to take pictures like uncles, like on Instagram, like this and shit like that, and post. I swear I was not social media savvy, you know what I'm saying? So he pushed me to do the Vine, and I'm just chilling, just talking stuff, just, oh, yo, you know what's that? Yo, man, I like when you see the video that I'm doing, when I start my bed, Vine started on the point. Yo, you know, say some people feel like, and you know, say 7 seconds, you know, so I don't really know me after about free, you know, you see me? So then, this is where we're gonna get to the videos that basically solidified my unintentional comedy career, you understand? So, one time I was sleeping, okay, and most of my stories are gonna start off with that. And I'm waking up, you know, when you're still a dream, and, you know, you have like, it's like you're up, but you're not really up. And for some reason I said to myself, I'm like, yo, you know what would be funny? If I did a skit on how you act when your parents have company. You understand? I remember I'm not really fully awake yet, you know, so I'm like thinking that, then I wake up, and I'm like, yo, that would be funny. As I said, because I'm not doing skits yet, you know, I'm not doing any videos, so this is just me just saying, you know what? I'm always watching comedy skits all day, and I feel like I could do one just to let them see that, you know what I'm saying, this is a funny topic. I wake up, open my door, it's like 10 in the morning. I call my little brother, I'm here like, yo, you want to help me do a skit? He's like, oh, Jermaine for wine. I'm like, yo, relax. I'm like, all you got to do is sit down and say 2 lines, relax. He's like, oh, I was just about to go. I'm like, bro, 1 second. Like, yo, I had to beg this dude to do the video. After I do the video, right, it's basically me coming out of my room, running across the hall, and then jumping across the doorway. And he's supposed to be the parents' company, right? I do the video, nearly kill myself, all right? Almost broke my neck and shoulder, right? I do the video the first time. I'm like, all right, I'm gonna run across the hall, and then I'm gonna jump across the hallway. But the first time I did it, you could tell I jumped like I was bracing myself. I said, no, dog, that's because I'm a perfectionist. I'm like, that don't look real enough. So then I said, yo, one more time, let's do it one more time. I ran across that hall, and I said, yo, forget it. I took my mattress, I put it on the floor. I said, I'm just gonna jump and know that I'm safe. You understand? Yo, listen, I go across the hall, you know, and there was a room, so I ran to the back of the room, and then just run up and say, yo, jump. And keep in mind, you know, like, the doorway is narrow. So I was, yo, like, I was nervous, I'm nervous, you know. So I start run, I'm just jump and leg out the whole of it, like I'm not tense up nothing, so I look like one dolly I fly across in a car. People didn't think it was me for real. They thought I threw something across. Like really like I run across the room and dress up a pillow and fling across the hallway, you know, man. But I go, and when I said my land in a man, and it's like the mattress, create a space and then butt the tile and then come back up in a man. Cause yo, I said when I drop on my shoulder, lick the tile in a man and then I bounce up one time and keep in mind two of me jump, the momentum send me down in a man. So as me boom, drop my shoulder upon the tile, me lift up and continue going in on my son, running on TV, you know. I remember I said this is new to me, you know. So and I like said on my mind, I said this worth it. Immediately I said this is stupid. I'm not do no more video, you know, because if I this I go through when I try to make people laugh and them something, alright? Edit the video, post it. And as I said, I'm vexed, you know, because oh yes, I saw and them something. So I said, alright, cool. So I post it, going about my day. I had a job, but for some reason my phone was off because I was broke. So I'm gonna go work. Now I get no notification. I know there's a point where I said that, why I'm not getting any notifications. So I'm at work, you know, at the call center, you know, hey, thank you for calling Silver Script. This is Jermaine, ID number, all right? And I remember I got off work and I caught some Wi-Fi, right? I miss everybody. I call up my phone, and I text me, and them saying, is it? And them time over there, yeah, you can't see the message on the screen. So I'm just say, what if I message on them something, and I'm gonna open them. I'm gonna see people, yo, alright, my famous friend. I'm like, I beg your pardon, what are you saying? I remember I'm still Jermaine. I'm not Gyalis in Paris yet, so Jermaine is confused. I'm like, yo, alright. I'm like, when you talking about famous? They're like, yo, you're on World Star Hip Hop. I'm like, I can't remember, that was Shade Room back then. Shade Room didn't exist. So they're like, yo, you're on World Star Hip Hop. And then like I see somebody else message, like all the messages with people saying, yo, oh, that's my friend. And you know what I'm saying? I'm like, oh shit. I just kind of feel good, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, wait, hold up. So then I went on Vine, I seen that they had like thousands, like 20,000 like shares and everything like that. I'm like, oh shit. So I said, you know what? Let me continue doing stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? Because if people's laughing like this and I gain like 20,000 followers, I'm like, yo, this is kind of cute. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I said, yo, I got the confidence now, because remember, I wasn't used to that stuff. So I got the confidence and I said, all right, maybe I can do this. You know what I'm saying? Because I've been making people laugh, but I just don't care if they laugh. You get what I'm saying? And that's what happens with a lot of people is, that's why people who really want it get so upset with people who it just drop in their lap, because it's not like I was like, oh my God, I want to be a comedian so bad. I want to be famous. I didn't care. So that's why me doing the videos, it was so nonchalant. Like I was just like, okay, here, yeah, y'all go ahead and take this video. And then it goes viral and I'm here like, oh, y'all like that? All right, I might give y'all one more. And I'm here like, oh, take this too. And it's going viral and I'm like, yo, I'm lit. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, this is crazy. Like, I don't even care. And I'm surpassing all these people who I see, you know what I'm saying, like going hard. I'm like, yo, damn. That's cool. So the next video I did, that just got me some views and likes. You know what I'm saying? You know how internet is. You're viral one day and then it calmed down. But I got a good buzz off of that, so it gave me the confidence. So I'm like, all right, cool. So casual. I'm leaving my house, right, in Port St. And I go to Sabam now. Bridget pull up and say, all right, brother, yo, I'm outside. So, all right, cool. Come outside, and I was like, yo, for some reason, something just pop up in my mind. I'm gonna say, all right, it would be funny if I did like a freestyle of how Jamaican people, you know, pick up girls, you know, how they spit game. And I said, yo, let me record this video real quick before we leave out. Didn't have no tripod them time there, you know. So, boom. Give my brother the phone, and I said,
Come here, girl. Don't make me beg. Me give you a kill it after walk. Come here, girl.
Come here, girl, right? Just so. Post a video, go in a car and go McDonald's. Go about my day, you know. Post a video, yo. You want to see people are like Egypt. I said, come here, girl, you know, man. If them not say exactly what me say, them might make them own a rhyme on them. So them say like, yo, that was the moment I realized. I'm like, yo, me I go somewhere with this now, because imagine now me as somebody where alright, I one video I do now and go up on World Star Hip Hop and this is something I really do. And then me do Come Here Girl now. And remember some still I get followers for the last video them I go viral you know. You understand? So I go so bam now and do it and I realize I'm not like one hit wonder. Do the Come Here Girl video and I see people in Germany, Dubai, Egypt, Thailand, China, literally people when I speak English. I say, yo, come here girl, don't make me beg and like them make out the word them and them and learn English you know. You understand? I was like, yo, this is crazy. I was getting thousands of videos of people reenacting that. You know what I mean? That video, the Come Here Girl, that shot up my comedian career. I think the first, if not as far as Mark, more than the Mark video then. Because it literally was so viral, like it was all over the place. Like that was my most ultimate viral video. You know what I'm saying? Where I have people from so much different cultures just saying this one little freestyle. You know what I'm saying? So I did a couple of those, but that actually shot up my career. Very, very far. The next one after that now, right? This is around the time that I moved to New York. Remember I did the Come Here Girl video when I was in Florida, in Port St. Lucie. Gosabam, moved to New York, and I linked up with a young man named Prince Marnie, right? And him go so bam now and link me and say he want to do what like one collab. And most people think we're related, we're not, we're just my brother, isn't it? I met him when I moved to New York. So go so bam now link up. And he was telling me how he was hungry for the fucking fame and the comedy lifestyle. Like, cause when I first moved to New York, he was a big fan. He was like, yo, hey, you know what I'm saying? I want to link up and do some collabs. And I was like, I don't want to do no collabs with anybody. I was very arrogant. Like I was like, not arrogant to the point where I feel like I'm better than nobody, but more of me never feel like I want to work with people because I have to think more outside the box. And I wasn't really, because like I said, I didn't take it serious. So I'm like, a collab for what? You get what I'm saying? But we started working together now, and then he was on the brink of deleting his Instagram, right? But I told him, I said, yo, I was out of town on a booking. I came back, I said, yo, brother, don't worry yourself, man. You understand me? I gotta do like some more content. As me reach New York after my booking, I thought about the Oxtail Bone video. You understand? And I wrote the lyrics because I remember I said, in the beginning, I telling me I'm an artist, you know, man. You see it? So I wrote the lyrics for Oxtail Bone video, and I remember I was sitting there with my 3 friends, and I said, yo, we can do the Oxtail Bone video. You take that line there. You take the line there also, but somebody have to say this. It wasn't going to be me. You understand? And because I'm shy. So I'm going to bang now and say. Prince Marnie say, I'll do it. I said, you're a very special young man, sir. You know what I'm saying? So, the reason why I said that now, when he decided, yo, I'll say that part, is because I thought it was gonna be our other friends. Because remember, I said Prince Marnie want to be a comedian, and the other 2 friends and them just them not dip on social media like that, so they don't care. So in my mind, whoever says this, your career is done. You understand? So I'm like, yo, it can't. So when Prince Marnie said, I'm here like, yo, bro, you sure? Because this might follow you. Never know, say after I must slap people with pad with Susan Reagan and things. So never mind more that. So him goes about now and say, want the line? I say, alright, cool. You understand? As long as it's not me and I'm standing the further way away from him in the video. Look at that again. So go so bam now do that video there. It got viral on Facebook. I'm talking about viral, right? And around this time now, I'm really like, yo, I'm the GOAT. Like I was feeling myself. I'm not even gonna lie. I was feeling myself. I'm like, yo, I really come up with some good ideas, yo. Like I'm like, yo, I was, you know what I'm saying? Like, come on, son, I'm a genius, yo. You understand? I'm gonna make shirts that say I'm a genius, dog. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I am, bro. You know what I'm saying? But so we do the Oxtail Bone video. shotgun. That brought me like 10,000 followers on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? After that video, they know, right? I got some bomb now, and I'm doing little videos and stuff like that. But the next one that actually boosted my following and my crowd in the Caribbean was the one dance video. You understand? Where I'm basically doing a parody about people who have one dance and they're always the first to try to get the limelight. You understand? So casually as well, I remember I was at a party and we was just joking about that kind of stuff. I'm here like, yo, you know those dudes that always have one move and they really can't dance, but they always trying to show you out. And in the party, I was just like, yo, I just did like one simple little move I remember, you see me? And right away I was like, yo, that'd be a funny skit. You know what I mean? Went home the next day, did the video, executed it perfect, and the video went viral again. That one was the most annoying though, because everywhere I went now in a party, everybody's like, yo, the one dance. And I'm like, all right, yeah. You know what I'm saying? If a damn party is going on and, they're tapping me, they're like, yo. And I'm like, yeah, man, you're hilarious, bro. You know what I'm saying? And then, it's just constantly, like, people's like, yo, what, yo, do the one dance. And for like a couple months, they were just harassing me. And I don't mind, I don't mind because I love the support. But it's like people think that they're the first ones to do it. You understand? So I've already had to do the one dance because 80 other people just told me. So when the 81st person comes around, it's like, oh, yo, do the one. You get where I'm coming from? So that one was the most annoying viral video. After the one dance, because one thing that people don't know too, because some of the videos have gone, swept under the rug, but when it comes to voiceovers, man, it's done in the voiceover that actually, I think it probably did the best on any of my social media platforms, and it's the R. Kelly voiceover. That one that I did, and I freestyled it.
That camera there for me? Name stupid. Use your common sense. Forget about Aishana. Forget about equal rights. Fuck right if you want to. Use condom if you want to, but use your common sense.
Which means that I seen the video, the interview, and I was sitting there and I was like, yo, I could do a voiceover to this, but I don't know. I'm not really feeling it. I was feeling lazy. And then I ended up walking out into the garage and I was chilling and I watched it again. And I was like, you know what, let me do a quick voiceover. So when I say freestyle it, I'm talking about I literally was playing the video and I pressed record on the mic. You know what I'm saying? So I can just talk while he's talking. So it's not like I knew where I was really going to bring the voiceover, but I just went with the flow. So the fact that it flowed so perfect, it was crazy. I'm like, yo, I have no answer when people ask me like, what's your inspiration when it comes to videos? How do you think of your ideas? I do not know, I swear to you. Sometimes I'm not trying or thinking about anything. I'm just doing it. Remember what I said about the Mark video? I did not plan to put this guy, Mark, in the skit. It literally just happens, and I think I have schizophrenia. But, right? Look up all the people out there with, So, that video went large, okay? The one after that again, I did the Will and Jada entanglements. That one ended up on TV.
Me give you bun. You decide, say, you go bun me back. So what happened? Yeah, and I got into an entanglement with Kaki. And that me say. An entanglement? Yes. Not a blood clot.
You get what I'm saying? So you see the levels of the voiceover. And remember, that's what DJ Khaled follows me for. DJ Khaled follows me. You know what I'm saying? It's because I did a voiceover when he was like, what he said? I appreciate you. Is that what he said? I forgot, it was so long ago, but I did a voiceover with that. And that's when he reposted it and he followed me. And I'm like, yo, yo, that's crazy. And this was years ago. And he still follows me now because I remember the other day I was watching my story and I seen his name in the views. I'm like, thank you. You know, because he could have got tired of me. You know what I mean? Because I know he's, corporate and I'm here walking around calling people sea snails. I would have been like, yo.
You very smart.
You get what I'm saying? But yeah, so the voiceovers, that's another thing that pushed me very, very, very far in the comedy world. You know what I'm saying? And the last one, because you guys know now, anybody who's watching this right now, I'm sure you know, like, you know what I'm saying, the most recent ones, them Mark videos and everything like that. So the next one, the last one that really became a crowd favorite as well, and I was known for, and it was similar to Mark, not as, you know what I'm saying, successful as, but still the same way, is my neighbor character. You get what I'm saying? And the neighbor character, again, was not intended to be a return character, but, you know what I'm saying, the followers loved it. So it literally was me just saying, I forgot what gave me the inspiration, the idea, but it was something I overheard, you know what I'm saying, and somebody was like, speaking about something they didn't know about, and it was hilarious to me. And I said, yo, it'd be funny if like a white person was talking to a Jamaican and they kind of know their stuff but not enough to be confirmed. You get what I'm saying? So I did a skit where I walked out the door, and you know what I'm saying, and this white guy or white woman, I didn't even think about the gender, showed up and was like, well, I'll be a hot dog on a steak for you. You know how they talk, right? It's my YouTube, I say what I want. So I'm like, yo, so I did the video, and with comedy, you have to exaggerate. You get what I'm saying? So imagine, so I'm there and I'm here like, well, okay, Bounty Killer. And you know what I'm saying? And the people, like the energy I got from it, I did not expect it, but I did it, and then it was just all over the place. And I'm here like, yo, y'all like that one? Like that I thought that one was just gonna be like a little chuckle, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, they are like that. People was, anywhere I go, you know what I'm saying? They're like, hey, my guy. I'm like, hey, you know what I'm saying? And that one right there is something that I haven't did a neighbor video in a while, and till this day, like, people would laugh. They're like, yo, Mark is hilarious, but yo, where's neighbor? You know what I'm saying? Like, neighbor, I had a whole Instagram page. I didn't make an Instagram page for Mark. I have a neighbor Instagram page where it's his own personality. You get what I'm saying? But the neighbor, that was another fun one to do. That one also, you know what I'm saying, became a crowd favorite, gave me a lot of followers. It's crazy when I look back at the videos back then, and I look at it now, and like, you see a little difference, but at the same time you see the same energy and spirit in my videos. You get what I'm saying? You see how you throughout all of this, from when no one knew me to now how much people know me now, like, it's good to know that I stayed true to myself the whole time. You get what I'm saying? And I'm somebody who I'm very difficult on myself, and I love to look back at where I was and then how I am now, and it's the same person. Same person. I mean, I've always done videos that weren't just alike, so my last viral video looks nothing like my next viral video, which shows that, I'm saying, I'm very versatile and I give varieties of comedy. You get what I'm saying? So that's something that I do, love about myself and the content that I give you guys, is you're never bored. You get what I'm saying? And you guys show a lot of support. It's overwhelming. That's what gives me the energy to keep going. Like I said, comedy is not my passion at all. You get what I'm saying? So I literally do it only for you guys. The more you guys laugh and say we want more, is the more that I would deliver. You get what I'm saying? So big up everybody who has been here through the whole journey. Now you know. You can look up those videos. They're on YouTube, or if they're not, I will add them to the channel. So make sure you like and subscribe so that you can keep, up to date with that. But now you know what started my career, which videos literally made me be able to be here right now. You know what I'm saying? Because like I said, that leads to a lot of things. My cologne business, you know what I'm saying? A lot of things that I've done that's successful is because of those videos. Without any one of them, in particular, wouldn't have what I have right now. So my advice to you guys is you see all the people who want to be comedians on social media or anything in life, keep putting out content, keep delivering. Doesn't matter if it gets 1 view, you'll never know the one that could change your life. You get what I'm saying? You will never know. Keep doing your thing. Alright? Gyalis in Paris says say no. Welcome.
Sometimes you have to tell her a lie. Not a big lie, no, a small lie. So me just look for her and say, hey, yeah, it. Me put in the tip. Yeah, the phone, me put in the chip. You want service, me put in the SIM. She say, alright, gonna put in everything. Me say, in your chest, me I go reach.